Have you ever wondered what a personal banker does? Or how to become one yourself? If you enjoy helping others and have a knack for finances, a career as a personal banker could be perfect for you. A personal banker assists clients with their financial needs. They build relationships and provide tailored financial advice. Let's dive into the essential steps you'll need to follow to embark on this fulfilling career. First, focus on your education. Most banks require at least a bachelor's degree, preferably in finance or business. Courses in economics and accounting are also beneficial. Next, gain relevant experience. Internships or entry-level positions in banking or finance help you learn the ropes. This practical experience is invaluable. After that, develop strong communication skills. A personal banker interacts with clients daily. Being clear and approachable is key to success. Moreover, familiarize yourself with banking products. Understanding loans, mortgages, and investments enables you to advise customers effectively. Once you're prepared, consider obtaining certifications. Certifications like the Certified Financial Planner, CFP, enhance your credentials. They show your commitment and expertise. Also, network within the banking industry. Attend financial seminars and workshops. Meeting professionals can lead to job opportunities and valuable mentorship. Finally, stay updated on industry trends. The financial world is constantly changing. Regularly reading financial news helps you stay informed. For example, imagine you're a personal banker helping a couple buy their first home. You guide them through mortgage options, discuss interest rates, and help them choose the best plan. Your expertise makes the process smoother and builds trust. In summary, becoming a personal banker involves education, experience, communication skills, and industry knowledge. Follow these steps to kickstart your banking career. Ready to take the leap? Start researching banking programs and internships today. Your journey to becoming a personal banker begins now.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.